Welcome to the Bricks Network. I'm Ken. Today on the desk we have the Lego Speed Champions Koenigsegg Jesko, and this is set number 76900. Contains 280 pieces, and it was released back in June of 2021 and officially retired on December 31st, 2023. Retail price for $19.99, 24 euros and 99 cents, and then 19 pounds and 99 cents in the UK. That comes out to about 7.1 cents per piece, which is actually a pretty good value. So quickly, just have a look at the box. All right. Bottom of the box. Put it to the side. All right, the top. Shows the actual size of the wheels there. And in the back of the box is always the best. It shows the actual vehicle, the Jesko. All right, let's tear into the box. All right, bag one, the wheels, the building instructions, bag two, and the sticker set. Okay, empty box, chuck it to the side. Let's see, stickers, 20 stickers. I've seen worse in the Speed Champion series, but still quite a bit of stickers. So set that to the side. 2 bags, all right. So far, this is the less amount of bags I've seen in the Speed Champion, so I'm definitely interested to see how this turns out. Set those to the side, have a look at the manual briefly, flip through it, see if there's anything interesting. All right, it's in the back. Nope, nothing to note. All right, well, let's hop on into the speed build. Welcome to the review portion of the Koenigsegg Jesko. This is set number 76900. And in short, the build went together really quickly and quite nicely. There wasn't anything tricky. My 7-year-old built majority of it, which was awesome. And yeah, there wasn't anything tricky. And, you know, just like any other speed champions, there were quite a bit of stickers. So that's just something to take note of. And I will point out a couple things. First and foremost, just having a look at the minifigure here. I don't know if you can see there, but it's really, really tiny print that says Koenigsegg. And then this is the torso is printed, and then also the legs are printed, which is nice to see. And on the back, it has the Koenigsegg logo, and then Koenigsegg printed on the back. So set him aside, and then he has like a little hair piece as well. So that. The first thing I'll point out is I really don't understand why they just didn't add black bricks here. I mean, I don't know if the official car has these colors or not. I mean, they do have it on the box. Let me see. Let's see, scooch this aside. Oh yeah, it does. I was wrong. Never mind. But it does have that blue and yellow signal there on the side skirts. So that's kind of cool. Other cool design element is this piece here. It's actually a meat cleaver that you stick in there, and it makes for the arrow. So it was an interesting way to use the meat cleaver, but it works. It really works. Yeah, the front lip. And there were a couple printed pieces. First and foremost, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but this piece right here says Jesko. And then the roof is printed as well. And that's it. That's just all you get for the printed piece. Another cool element was actually this wing here. And the way it kind of sits up and connects was a pretty ingenious way to design this wing, this rear wing. And it was really cool. As far as sturdiness, it's actually pretty sturdy. I mean, of course, there are a couple pieces that'll fall off, like the little end pieces here, and you know, that kind of makes some of the design elements, but it gives it a pop of color from the actual vehicle. But it seems to be quite sturdy. It's not as fragile as some of the other ones I put together, other speed champions. And then this is the bottom of the chassis here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, great looking car. Only 2 bags to make this really cool shape. I was a little worried that it wouldn't come out as well, but yeah, they did a really nice job in the design department. It looks really, really nice. And that's it for the review. If you guys have any questions, comments, or heck, anything you want me to build in a future video, let me know. I have pretty much all of the Lego Speed Champions. I've been on a tear lately collecting all of the Formula One cars that have come out in recent years. So let me know if you guys want me to build those. And lastly, I pay for this stuff out of my own pocket. So if you guys enjoy this content, please feel free to like and subscribe. Heck, even share it. Watch it with your kids, because I know my son and I end up watching a ton of these things on YouTube as well. Once again, thank you guys. Peace. To the next one.